Hey guys, how y'all doing today? This is Justin over here at Honest Home Services. We just finished wrapping up this awesome install of this 18-SEER 2-stage high-efficiency Amana heat pump system. As you can see on this system, we use the hanging kit with unit strut and all thread. Makes for much better support, keeps the unit nice and level, especially over the years where it won't bow out. Also, we've got 2 float switches to protect our main drain and our secondary as well. And then we upgraded their filtration system to an Aprilaire, much more efficient filtration system. We also increased this return duct to make for better airflow as it was undersized before. But if you're in the market and you're looking to upgrade your HVAC system, give us a call, 972-537-5599. Thank you and have a blessed day.